Namaskar. I am B. Meghana from PUC 2 Ajuketi Basar. I am honestly presenting one of the dance art form. It is a Mohini Attam. It is a traditional Indian dance art form, a celebration of devotion, grace, and artistic expressions. Originated from Kerala, its journey from Kerala to global stage. Features of Mohini Attam expressions, grace, and musicality. Graceful, flowing movements, feminine themes, and facial expressions, hand mudras. Costume: white or cream saree with gold border, simple jeweler, and jasmine flowers. Carnatic music, mridangam and veena. It is a solo storytelling with expressions.
पन्नीमती मूगी बाले पद्मनाभनन्निल पन्नीमती मूगी बाले पनिमती मूंगी वाले पद्मनाभन कनिविल